style one lehenga in 10 different ways. Namaste beautiful people, this is Saloni and it's Diwali season. So today we are going to style one lehenga in 10 different ways. I'm so excited for this video and we are going to try different styles. So for people who like a lot of traditional, we are going to style different traditional wear. People who like a little bit Indo-Western, we are going to try Indo-Western as well. And we have different style tips to how to style one lehenga in 10 different ways. And I hope you'll enjoy this video as much as I did.
So here's our first look for Diwali. We are going to pair them up with these pretty earrings, my sandals, and this outfit is looking so beautiful because we have paired a very contrast pink and golden kurta on a blue lehenga. For the second look, we are going to pair it up with a blue dupatta and a red velvet blouse. And I'm going to pair them up with the earrings which are recently created with a latkan. And you have not seen that video, I'll put the link in description. We all can create easy and cheap DIYs at home. I'm going to pair them up with my golden sandals and our look is almost ready. Do let me know in the comments below if you like the color combination of this outfit. We can actually create one lehenga in so many different ways, you see. And if you're wondering about what accessories you should wear with your Diwali outfit, don't worry, I've recently created a new video on how to create cheap yet beautiful accessories with latkan and lace. I'll put the link right here. And for this outfit we are going to play with different textures. Also this neck piece I've created on that video and this is looking so beautiful with this outfit. So here we are playing with texture and now I'm going to pair them up with my belt and my sandals and our look is ready. So it is like an Indo-Western look, all blue. I mean, I really like the whole look. And if you want, you can also pair it up with a printed blue dupatta. It gives a very different touch to your whole outfit. This outfit is like a monochrome Diwali look. I really liked how it turned out to be. And do check the videos on how to create easy and cheap jewelries at home. I'm sure you're gonna love it. So for our next outfit, we are going to wear our lehenga as a cute dress. I am just pairing it up with my golden belt and the same printed dupatta which we earlier used. And this is also a neck piece which I recently created on my video. You know, these jewelries are so easy to make and all these jewelries are looking so beautiful on every outfit. I mean, anyone can make all these easy DIY jewelries at home. And our look is ready. I really love how the whole look turned out to be. This look is so different. I know you can see the side view of the zip, but don't worry, we are going to pair a very nice jewelry and don't tie a knot. Instead of that, we are going to just wear a safety pin because knot will really give you a very bad neck pain. And this is the jewelry which we are going to pair it up. And we are going to pair it up with these pretty pants and our dupatta. You see, now the zip is not even visible because we have paired it up with our neck piece and our belt is also looking so amazing. This outfit is so different and we are going to convert the same style in a different way. We are just going to pair the dupatta and about that we are going to wear our belt to give it a very different and an Indo-Western look. Do you feel that this neck piece is made out of a latkan? I mean, it is just looking so beautiful on this whole outfit. So we are going to pair it up with a bright mojri because the dupatta has neon tassels. You'll see a link popping up on your screen. That's the link for how to create cheap yet easy DIYs at home. And trust me, you all can make all these easy DIYs. And these all jewelries are looking so amazing on all the outfits. So for the next outfit, I'm going to pair it up with a winter shawl. If you want, you can also take a bright, colorful dupatta. And we are just going to do a crisscross like this. I'll show it to you. Also, the lehenga, I'm wearing it as a tube like we did earlier. And you just have to do, like this. You just have to do it crisscross. And at the back side, you have to put 2 safety pins so that, it is secure. So the first safety pin is going to be at the very top of the shawl and the second one is at the bottom. And now it is secured in a very proper and perfect way. You see how beautiful it is looking. Now we are going to pair them up with all our accessories, my black and golden sandals, net dupatta and my studded earrings. This outfit is looking so different. I mean, I feel no one is going to say that we have converted a winter shawl into a very beautiful top. So for this one, I'm going to pair it up with the coat, and this is also a very different look. So we have just tucked our coat inside the lehenga and pairing them up with our boots. This is a very stylish and different look, so people who love wearing coat, this outfit is perfect for you. Now I'm going to pair my top, and then we are going to convert this top into a very different and DIY look. So I'm just going to pair it up with my lace and going to put a knot, and I'm going to take my dupatta, my white dupatta which has neon tassels. So the top is also neon and dupatta also has neon things, and pairing them up with my golden belt and my golden sandals. Our look is ready. And here's the last outfit. This is like a very loose top and I'm just going to pair it up with a belt, and this colorful top is looking so beautiful on blue lehenga. I'm going to pair them up with my golden sandals, and our 10th look is ready. Do let me know if you like all these looks.
If you have enjoyed watching this video, do let me know in the comments below which lehenga style was your favorite, and please hit the like button and comment below and tell me which one did you really like the most, and let us know where you're tuned in from, because it's always great to know. And if you haven't already, remember to hit that subscribe button and turn on the bell icon to get notified, because this year I'm dedicated to make daily videos to make you inspire about how to look stylish with few clothes and how to create amazing DIYs cheap at home to make 2021 your best year ever. Bye bye, take care.